In this video, we will witness the moments when Roman will build an underground-style hut. On Roman's channel, you can find videos about bushcraft, survival skills, construction, woodworking, and handmade projects. He will build a log cabin underground to shelter from harsh weather and cold. The shelter will feature two separate rooms, one designed for rest, crafting, and storage, and another dedicated to a sauna. As you can see, the wood surface is slightly burned to improve its strength and protect it from decay and insect damage. A layer of sand is laid down to create a solid base for the stairs and to enhance water drainage. The logs are laid flat on the sand foundation to form the steps of the staircase. The furnace pit is then carefully designed and sited to ensure efficient smoke escape. The chimney pipe is carefully adjusted to suit the angle and direction of the hole in the soil. Weed barrier tarpaulins are selected for their ability to provide effective thermal insulation. In addition, they provide strength and durability against various weather conditions. An insulation layer is added inside the furnace chamber to increase heat preservation and energy efficiency. This oven will soon be used for both cooking and heating the shelter. While the logs are carefully placed to form the walls of the hut, special attention is paid to ensuring that the corner sections are firmly interlocked. When placing logs in horizontal rows, care must be taken to ensure that their ends are aligned so that the structure remains balanced and level. The steep angle of the gable roof allows rain and snow to easily drain off without accumulating, which protects the structure from potential damage and load. Meanwhile, Roman will add a few comfort elements to the shed, such as a comfortable bench so he can sit and relax. Once all preparations are complete, the main support pillars need to be placed to support the weight of the structure. Once the various interior sections are outlined, the next step is to begin adding insulation to the roof. Roman starts adding the initial finishing elements, including the door frame and the windows. Made from natural fibers, wool insulation is an eco-friendly and long-lasting option. In his many videos, you can see how he successfully performs these types of tasks under different conditions. Roman is now making the main entrance door. The door has been specially designed to give the cottage a unique touch with a wonderful rustic and classic design. A layer of varnish is applied to safeguard the wood, giving it a smoother surface and an elegant finish. What Roman will make now is a small table. As Roman demonstrates, these creations embody the builder's strength, creativity, and deep harmony with nature. Through smart energy design, the cabin can function completely off-grid or with very little dependence on outside power sources. Roman lays wooden flooring on the floor, creating a flat and solid surface. Roman makes use of every possible material, reducing expenses while adding a distinctive and creative character to his work. Roman builds himself a bed in the other room of the hut. In the early 20th centuries, dugout cabins were prevalent among homesteaders and pioneers in rural areas. These structures serve as physical reminders of the challenges of those who built and inhabited them. We've reached the end of the project. We loved it, and we hope you do too. You can see Roman's other projects by visiting his YouTube channel. All links are in the description.